Hi guys, welcome to my channel Very Steady Eat. Today I am going to show you how to make bottle gourd pudding, or in other words Lauki Halwa. This is basically a simple and delicious pudding which is made out of bottle gourd, milk, sugar and things like that. This is a very popular and traditional dessert in India. So let's see what you need for this. Heat the ghee or clarified butter in a heavy bottom pan on a medium-high heat till it is warm. To this add the grated bottle gourd or the lauki and stir to mix. Let it cook and keep stirring frequently till it turns transparent. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Another sign of doneness is the separation of the ghee from the bottle gourd. Once it comes to that stage and has become little soft, next I am going to add the milk and the sugar and bring the whole mixture to a boil and lower the flame. Simmer the mixture on a low flame and keep on stirring in between. The bottle gourd will cook more in the milk and the milk will start to reduce and evaporate. Once that stage has come, the bottle gourd has taken most of the moisture of the milk. Add the sweetened condensed milk and mix to blend. I personally like the condensed milk as it gives a nice consistency and texture to the halwa. If you wish, you can also add grated khoya at this point of time. Cook until it turns to a thick pudding consistency. Now put in the crushed cardamom and stir again and mix for around 2 to 3 more minutes and it is done. Now I am going to serve my Lauki Halwa or bottle gourd pudding in nice martini glass this way, and next I am going to garnish it with some almonds and some cashews on top. Hope you like my Lauki Halwa recipe. It's a perfect, wholesome and delicious pudding, and it just melts in your mouth and changes your taste buds with its texture and the crunch of rich dry fruits. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such lovely dessert recipes.